Hello, my dear students. Our concept for today is delegation and importance of delegation. What is delegation? It means granting of authority to subordinates by the superior or top management. It helps in lessening the burden of the manager. Look at the picture. Here, manager is giving the authority to his subordinate or to the employees to perform the task. Employees are having full rights to take their own decisions. Let me tell you some importance of delegation now. The first importance of delegation is effective management. So, delegation enables the manager to assign the routine work or daily work to his subordinates or to the employees and thus relieves him from heavy workload. This helps the managers to function more efficiently and more effectively as well as to concentrate more on important functions. The one more benefit of delegation is employee development. We know employees are the workers in our organization. They are the part of our organization as well as they are the asset of our organization or a company. So, you need to focus on them. Employees get more opportunity to utilize their talents. It makes them better leaders and decision makers. As well as delegation motivates them to develop themselves for higher positions. Thus, delegation contributes to employee development or development of subordinates. Motivation of employees is one more benefit. As the managers transfers their authority to their employees or to the subordinates, they get the chance to utilize the opportunity and their talents. It makes employees feel encouraged and tries to improve their performance further. The next importance of delegation is facilitates growth. Delegation facilitates growth and expansion of organization by providing trained and experienced personnel for taking up leading position in new projects. Quick decision making is also one more importance of delegation. Due to delegation of authority, employees has full right to take decisions. The subordinates or the employees need not go to the superiors or to the top management on daily matters. As employees has full rights to take decisions, they can take decisions quickly. Delegation increases the speed of decision making. Basis of management hierarchy. Delegation of authority determines who has to report to whom. It also establishes superior subordinate relationship. That means employees and employer relationship which is base for hierarchy of managers. The last importance of delegation is better coordination. As the delegation of authority determines who has to report to whom and by assigning the duties related to various departments, delegation helps in achieving the coordination among various departments and functioning of management. Thank you. Happy learning.